got something. I don't know what it is. I know what it is. Well, there you go, it's a kitty.
It's a kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
I know, it's fighting weird. This one counts. Okay. No. He just ain't that big. There he is. Oh, Dad used to say that these are a good fillet size. Sorry for the concussion. Bastard! I was winning! Do you see it? Alright, that counts. That's alright, it counts. 9. We've almost caught 20 fish today. I didn't even have to turn the camera off. Trying to see what size it is.
It's nice.
Is it nice?
Yeah,
right.
you're gonna have to walk it down.
10-9. $10-9, baby, I'm winning. I'm gonna get you a t-shirt made up that says Team Danny. What? Okay. He's right here, Josh. Oh, just grab him. I don't know. He's hungry. Yeah, he is. Real nice cat. Yeah, right below us. Oh, they did. They looked right at us. Jesus Christ. Jesus, that basket's heavy. That was so funny. Kitty. It's 11. He's a good one. 11-10. Took the lead again. Little brother gonna win today. No. Get caught up in the log. All right, that's 11-10. Danny's winning. Finally, yeah. Might have this year in the bag. Last year I lost. So we will find out. Well, looks like we're tied, 11-11. Is that even a fish? Did you get that as a bait? I think that's bait.
Look how I got him. Wrapped around his fin.
That don't count.
That counts.
Cheat.
What,
Chitin bird. That's how you do it. All right, we just landed I landed number 16, Josh is at 16. So it's tied, and I think that's the end of our day too. So we are at a tie this year, insane. All right guys, take some pictures. show them to you at the end.
Yeah, whatchamacallit, me and Danny tied this year. First time that's happened in a long time.
What'd you tie at?
16 each.
16 each.
A lot of freaking fish. So does that mean Josh win because of the gar and the turtle?
No, we counted the gar. We did not count the turtle.
So does that mean I won due to the turtle?
No, turtles don't count. Just because it's got a bald head like you,
And find a dead rodent.
just because it's got a head like him, does not mean it goes.
All right, love you, bye.
This is. All right, Yak. Let's see these things.
Overloaded my basket. Oh my gosh. Dude. That's insane.
Isn't it?
You know, it's the sad part. That's not even all of them.
And there's more.
And there's more. Yeah, we hear you. And,
Jeez.
yeah, they've been fighting in there.
See that? He'll be happy when we let him go in a minute. Oh, he got somebody's line.
Ah!
And
I
then
didn't think we
there's,
had this many on the stringer.
yeah.
Dude.
So you don't want to keep him?
No. If anything, I'll be back here tomorrow, so.
Look at the river.
All right, Danny.
Okay.
All right, these are all mine. Those are all his.
You can't hold both.
Why not?
I don't know.
It's recording right now.
Okay.
Yeah, you can
There's
wide
Joshy.
and
I'm not moving buttons. I'm standing here and looking at you guys stay in the frame.
Okay. Oh. Using the rock to support because it's too heavy.
All right, nice.
Cool. Couple of them.
I did.
all right, now let me hold the fish I actually caught. Here you go, Josh.
Man.
Say part snips.
Party snips. Alright, cool.
Holy fuck.
Right, now we gotta get all these.
Apples out of there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Too bad you can't just prop the. Does it prop open?
You can here.
Dang.
It's open right now.
Alright, let go.
Now dumpy.
Now we dump.
Oh, you're not gonna do it into the water?
Nope, Danny can start throwing.
Why don't you just do it right over there when you do it right into the water?
Because that would be easy, Jen. We're men. Other things complicated.
Just so you know, Josh is gay men. There's different.
Oh, okay. Yeah, gay man. What do you say?
Josh had the surgery a couple years
You
ago.
should get the ones so they.
We caught 32 fish today.
32 fish.
I think that might be a new record.
That's pretty close. I can see his hook. Look down his gill.
Ugh. Smells like fish.
Look down the. You can see
Smells
where the,
like
the
fish.
hook.
Oh, jeez.
Fish smells like fish?
Funny how that works.
I know. You know what else smells like fish? Fish.
Days.
Fish, get your mind out together. There you go.
Go. Did you get that on camera? Please tell me. My feet needed cleaning.
So does your mind. Go and stick your head in the water.
What?
Nothing, dear. Love you.
Should have said kept.
Shut up. All right, final score, Josh 16, Danny 16, tie. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.